Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is I Ayatma. My ID number 19014040416. So in this video I will explain the conclusion of the material, criteria of a good test, purpose of language test and type of language test, objective and subjective tests, multiple choice tests, and testing grammar. Criteria of a good test. Number 1. Validity. The validity of a test is the extent to which it measures and what it is supposed to measure, and it must aim to provide a true measure of the particular skill which it is the intent to measure. Number 2. Reliability. Reliability means consistency. Reliability is in the form of the same measuring instrument that will give the same result or the extent to which the measurement of a test remains consistent after repeated measurements are made. Number 3. Discrimination. A good test is its capacity to discriminate among the different learners and to reflect the difference in the performance of the individuals in the group. Number 4. Administration. A test must be practicable. Administration is a series of test implementation activities starting from the planning process, preparing test script, to carrying out tests or doing tests. Jadi, untuk mengevaluasi seorang siswa, kualitas tes yang baik adalah penting. Sebuah tes harus dibangun dengan tujuan agar siswa belajar dari kelemahan mereka. Purpose of language test and type of language test. Language test is the practice and study of evaluating the proficiency of an individual in using a particular language effectively. Some purpose of language test. Number 1. Diagnosis and feedback. Untuk mendeteksi kelemahan bahasa atau kesulitan belajar bahasa dan memodifikasi pengajaran bahasa yang sesuai. Number 2. Screening and selection. Untuk membantu dalam pengambilan keputusan tentang siapa yang harus diizinkan untuk berpartisipasi dalam program pengajaran tertentu. Number 3. Placement purpose. Untuk mengetahui secara pasti dalam program bahasa siswa perlu mendaftar atau menempatkan. Number 4. Program evaluation. Memberi informasi tentang keefektifan program pengajaran. Number 5. Providing research criteria. Skor tes bahasa sering memberikan standar penilaian dalam berbagai konteks penelitian lainnya. Number 6. Assessment of social psychological difference. Language test doesn't only test the cognitive, but it also tests the student persistence, socioeconomic status. Penilaian perbedaan sosial psikologis. Tes bahasa tidak hanya menguji kognitif, tetapi juga menguji ketekunan siswa, status sosial, ekonomi, dan lain-lain. Type of language test. Number 1. Objective and subjective test. Number 2. Direct and indirect test. Number 3. Direct point and integrative point. Number 4. Aptitude, achievement, and proficiency test. Number 5. Norm reference and criterion reference test. Number 6. Span test and power test. Objective and subjective tests. Objective tests aim to assess a specific part of learned knowledge using questions which have a single correct answer, while subjective tests aim to assess areas of student performance that are complex and qualitative, using questions which may have more than one correct answer or more ways to express it. These are some types of of objective questions than you can find in tests. Number 1, multiple choice item. Number 2, true false item. Number 3, matching item. Number 4, assertion ration item. While subjective questions are questions that require answer in the form of explanation. Subjective questions include essay question, short answer, definition, scenario question, and opinion question. Multiple choice. Multiple choice is a form of assessment in which responses are asked to choose the best answer from a list of choices. Some general principles in constructing multiple choice tests. Number 1, each item should have only one answer. Number 2, only one feature at a time should be tested. Number 3, each option should be grammatically correct when placed in the stem, except of course in the case of specific grammar test item. Number 4, all items should be at level appropriate to the level of the tester. Number 5, the item should be as brief and as clear as possible. Number 6, the items should be arranged in wrong order of increasing difficulty. There are some components of a multiple choice test. The first, the STEM. The second, the correct option. The third, the distractors. The fourth, the test direction. Testing grammar. Grammar tests are designed to measure student proficiency in the matters ranging from inflection to syntax. Grammar testing can be assessed subjectively or objectively. Some of the most common types of objective items used to test awareness of the grammatical feature of the language are multiple choice tests, error recognition test, rearrangement test, completion test, transformation test, pairing and matching test. Different types of grammar test items have different ways of testing grammar. However, they have the same goal, which is to measure student ability and also to produce the correct form of language. Okay, I think that's all. Thank you for watching my video and wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.